Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to work with notes on Outlook. So let's start with the Outlook Classic version. On the left side panel, click on Notes, find the note icon. If it's not here, click on More Apps. There we go, select Notes. This is where all of your Outlook notes are stored. You can use notes for reminders, to-do list, or quick project notes. To create a new note, press on or click on New Note. The first line you type becomes the subject, and everything below it is the body of the note. When you close the note, Outlook automatically saves it. If you reopen the note and change the first line, the subject updates instantly. You can organize notes by categories. Right-click on the note and choose Categorize. Select an existing category or create a new one like Urgent or Personal. You can also create folders. Go to the Folder tab. Click on New Folder. Name it. And then drag the notes to that folder. From here, you can organize it, you can categorize it, and etc. Outlook lets you change how notes are displayed. Go back to the Home tab. Right here, you can switch between Notes List, Icon View, or Last of the Day, depending on what works best for you. You can also forward notes, move them to other folders, or use them as quick reminders throughout the day. If you're using the new version, the Notes feature is replaced by OneNote. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.